We got the Aspire, a pre-qualification to 1,000 credit limit. No impact on your credit score. Let's go. We got upgrade card. An upgrade card, you do create an account here and you can check everything, your line of credit. It's a Visa card. Wow, let's do it. Let's go to the next one. Where else am I? Here I am. We got the bank mobile card. The bank mobile card is a MasterCard. And let's see what it says down here. How it works, pre-qualification right here on the left-hand side. Keep going. We have a surge card. See if you pre-qualify. We got the Wells Fargo card. No impact to your credit score. We got the Reflex card. Is she doing any exercising? A Reflex card. We got $1,000 to $2,000. See if you pre-qualify. This is beautiful. All the homework. Wow. We got a Destiny card. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is beautiful. A Destiny card. Let's keep it going. We got a personalized offer from Patelco. Patelco is a credit union. And see if you get pre-qualified without impacting your credit score. Let's go. We got Nissan. No, it's not a Nissan store card. It's an actual Visa card right here. You can see and pre-qualify right now. Keep it going, buddy. We got the FNBO card, the FNBO Evergreen credit card. Wow, pre-qualify and prosper. Keep going. We got Navy Federal, everyone's favorite. Yes, you can pre-qualify for Navy Federal right here. Do you pre-qualify? Maybe you do. We got American Express. Check to see if you pre-qualify for offers. All right, we're going strong. We got Capital One. See if you are pre-approved for your card offers. No harm to your credit. Wow, we got Pedal Card. Pedal Card, no impact to your credit score. I love it. It's an actual credit card, the Pedal Card. And we got Discover. Yes, that's how I did it. A pre-approval form from Discover. Now we got the Nassau Federal Credit Union. Check your credit card rate in just 2 minutes. We also have Walgreens, but it's not a store card. It's an actual MasterCard. Truist, this is a credit card. You might be qualified for some special offers. Just fill in the information in little as 60 seconds with no impact to your credit. And we're almost done here, going on 30 strong. We got Regions Bank, no impact to your credit score. It'll only be a few minutes. Here we go. We got two more. We got Mission Lane Visa credit card. Mission Lane, see if I'll be approved. Mission Lane is a Visa card, beautiful. And the last one is BlockFi Visa. And see if you're pre-approved with no impact to your credit. I love you guys. Only I did this for you guys. Have a blessed day.